أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm your teacher Sayyid Shahnida. As you all know, I'm teaching you Environmental Studies Part 1, and we are studying currently 5th unit, and the name of the unit is Water for Every Household. We are about to finish this unit. So what did we learn in the last videos? We learned how water should be stored and how to take care of water. We should use water. We should use water in a careful way. We should use it prudently without wasting it, because water is precious and we are unable to survive without water. Carefully without wasting it. Now let's begin the unit. Even today, in some places, water is drawn from wells or borewells for use at home, but it needs to be ensured that the water is potable. If it is not, then it should be boiled for the purpose of drinking, so that it will not endanger our health. In some places, water is supplied by transporting it by means of tankers. See, even today we use water by drawing from wells or borewells, but wells are now available only in villages, but in our city areas we use water by drawing it from borewells. हम borewells में से पानी निकालते ना, so we use borewell water. But generally borewell water is safe for drinking, although it is salty, yet it is potable for drinking. But well water may not be potable, because sometimes algae starts forming in the water, and even many animals stay in the water, like water snakes, frogs, even many animals die in the well water. So it may not be very potable for drinking. It may not be safe for drinking. So we need to purify it before drinking. So is the easiest method to purify water is by boiling. सबसे easiest method कौन सा purify करने का? By boiling. So we can use drinking water before boiling it, so it becomes potable and safe for drinking, so that it does not endanger our health. हमारे health को कोई नुकसान नहीं हो उससे. For that only we should boil water and then drink it. Do you know, in some places water is supplied by transporting it by means of tankers. Summers में generally अपने यहाँ भी होता है. We have so much scarcity of water in summers that we need to bring tankers of water. We need to order tankers of water. And even some villages or some areas there is no water supply, so water is transported by tankers, by means of tankers to that areas. Now can you tell how much water is required in your house every day? See, water is our life. We can't survive without water. We don't use water just for drinking, but we use it for all other purposes. We use for bathing, washing clothes, washing dishes, for washing floors. Many. There are like innumerable uses of water. So how much water do we require in a day? कितना पानी लगता? Maybe 60 to 100 liters in a day. It depends upon the members of your family. If your family is a joint family, you will require more water. If your family is a nuclear family, कुछ कम ही लोग रहते, like parents and children, then less water will be required. But if you waste water, then you will require more water. So who fills this water? Who fills water at your home? Our parents generally, or we have bore wells. So water gets filled in our tanks on the terrace that are built on the terrace. Now here's an exercise. You have to do it. Take an empty bucket, lift it to get an idea of its weight. See, take a bucket and lift it up. उसे ऊपर उठाओ तो आपको उसका weight का पता चल जाएगा, उसका अंदाजा हो जाएगा. Now with water and see how much heavier it is. It must be quite a hard chore to carry a bucket full of water from one place to another. Don't you agree? Now fill that bucket with water and carry it from one place to another. अब suppose आपने बाथरूम से पानी भरा तो आप इसको किचन तक लेके जाए. So you will see how difficult it is to carry water bucket full of water. It's so difficult. It's such a hardcore. Remember how much water you need in your house. Now remember how much water you need. Now you can understand how much work is done to fill that much water. So now you will realize, now आपको पता चलेगा कि how much energy and effort is required to fill that water. Thankfully, thanks to God thanks to Allah, that we have all electric machines, so we don't need to fill it. But at some places we have to fill it. So before wasting the water, you should keep it in mind that so much energy and effort is required to fill the water. So do not waste water unnecessarily. Now can you tell which fuel is used to run the following machines? The hand pump that lifts water from a borewell. Which energy is required? Manual energy or even petrol. The pump used to store water in the water tower. This pump generally uses electricity. The tanker that brings water to a certain area, it uses diesel. Used to store water in the water tower, also use diesel or petrol, but generally we run it on electricity. Many people are engaged in the work of water purification, storage and distribution. Electricity or diesel are used to run the machines for these purposes. A lot of money is spent for this work. Hence, potable water proves to be an expensive substance. We must take care of water just as we take of our other valuables. See, we need to purify the water before using it. So a lot of manual work is required and manpower is required to do this task. Even electricity or diesel is required to run the machines in which water is purified. So potable water, which means drinking water, is a costly substance. But हमें सब free में मिलता है. Free में तो नहीं मिलता. We give bills, we pay the tax, water tax. But it is a expensive substance. We do not get it for free. So we must take care of water just as we take care of our valuables. हम पानी को कचरा ना समझे. पानी कचरा नहीं. पानी is very important source in our life. So we should not waste it. Rather we should take care of it as we take care of our valuables. मतलब हम अपनी जो खास चीज़ें होती हैं हम उसकी कैसे केयर करते हैं. Likewise, you have to take care of water. We must not allow stored tap water to be wasted or become contaminated. We need to store tap water. Everyone stores tap water. नल का पानी हम store करके रखते हैं ना for a week, because नल generally once a week or twice a week आते. So we need to store that water. So we should not make it dirty or contaminate that water. What can we do to use water without wastage? See, if the water you have taken in a mug to wash your face is left over, will you throw it away or keep it for later use? See, if you take water in a mug to wash your face, but you have already washed your face and some water is left in the mug. So what will you do with that water? You will keep this water as it is for later use. हम उसे बाद में use करेंगे, फेंकेंगे नहीं. While you brush your teeth, do you keep the tap running or do you turn it off in between? See, while you brush your teeth, many people have the habit of keeping the tap open. नल खुला छोड़ते हैं, water gets wasted, so much wasted. So you should turn off the tap in between. मतलब आप जब थूकते हो तो नल थूकने के टाइम नल ऑन की करें, then off it, shut it off. So we should use it properly. Do you throw away the water used for washing vegetables, fruits, etc., or do you water your plants with it? What do you do? See, if water is very dirty, we will throw it. If water is clean, we can water our plants with it. When rinsing things under tap, do you run it on fully or just enough? It means आप जब कुछ धोते हो तो आप continuously नल ऑन रखते हो या मतलब full pressure में ऑन करते हो या कम पावर में ऑन करते हो? कम pressure में. We should use water properly. Now use your brain power. The garden needs to be watered. Tap water and well water are both available. Which will use? We can use both water. It depends upon our necessity. But generally, well water is, or tap water is more. Why tap water is more? Tap water. Why can't we use tap water? Because tap water needs to be purified before using it. So it's better to use well water for this purpose. So what did we learn in this lesson? What we have learned? We have learned that we need water continually. So we store at home. We need water for everything. So we store it at home. A lid and tap on a water container help to keep the water clean and make it easier to use. So how can we keep our water clean? By covering it with a lid and using a tap on the container. ऐसा मटका यूज करें जिसे टैप होता है. So it will not contaminate the water. If drinking water is not potable, it can cause diseases. Therefore, special care must be taken for drinking water. Cities and towns have water purification centers and distribution systems. We had seen this. We use water from the other sources. We should ensure that it is potable. When we use water from other sources like reservoirs, wells or anything, we should make sure that it is safe for drinking. Obtaining potable water involves labor as well as expense. So, in order to make our water potable or safe for drinking, we need manpower as well as money to make it to purify it. Water should be stored properly and used carefully. Because water is valuable, we should take good care of it. I hope you have understood the entire lesson. I have just completed the lesson. Now in the next video, I will let you know about the exercises, about the questions and their answers. Jazakallah khairan for listening me.